Malpua. My name is Chef Harpal and you're watching me cook Malpua, and that too chocolate flavor. Now Malpua is a dessert which we make in occasions, at times, especially on Eid time. You make loads of them, especially in Bombay. If you go to Muhammad Ali Road, you see loads of people making Malpua, and all over the world. Generally, Indians love Malpua. Weddings, there has to be a Malpua. And chocolate Malpua is something which I've not seen. People do Malpua with fruits. Chocolate Malpua is what I'm making. For that, what you need to do is, make a batter. Now to make a batter, what I'm doing is 500 ml of milk. Okay, that's what you need to take. Not more than that. 3 tablespoons of refined flour. 2 tablespoons of semolina. And what you need to do is add khoya, condensed milk, half a cup of that. Little bit of green cardamom powder and 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder, unsweetened, better. Now to this, what you need to do is whisk the whole thing up after you've added everything and let the batter rest for some time. Very important. Now why you need to rest the batter for some time? Because the semolina you've added needs to swell up and needs to become soft. For that, you need to rest the batter for at least half an hour before you use it for making the malpuas. And here what I've done is, I've got ghee, hot ghee up here, and there's some sugar syrup which we have made and kept it. Now the sugar syrup is little less than 1 string consistency, not very, very thick. So to make a sugar syrup, actually what you need to do is 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, boil it for at least 5 to 6 minutes and leave it aside. This needs to be warm, this needs to be hot. What I'm making is malpuas. Malpuas generally are nice and thick and they're generally big. But what I'm trying to do here is I have made the oil hot and I've closed the flame. And with a teaspoon, I'm going to make coin malpuas. Okay, there you go. Coin malpuas is what I'm making, and put the flame on, keep it in simmering point. Coin malpuas, there you go. Small ones, absolutely. So you don't feel guilty while you're eating. That's the beauty. Whoa, see them, beautiful, superb. So I've cooked quite a lot of them. Into the sugar syrup, what I'm going to do is put some saffron in here, superb. And I've got some pistachios ready, sliced for garnishing here. Quickly flip the malpuas so that they get cooked both sides. Superb. Wow, small sized. They look prettier than the bigger ones. Now the sugar syrup here, wow, look at this. Saffron in there, nice and warm. Close it up. Let this fry well so that, it becomes crispier on the sides, soft in the center. And as you cook, you'll see some of them, the edges start getting perforated. Now when you get a malpua which is nice and perforated, which means your batter is right, your consistency of the batter is right, what you've made is absolutely correct. So that's what is important. Now this, all of them have a nice golden edge on the sides, soft in the center. They get into the sugar syrup here. Wow, look at this, beautiful. Straight into the sugar syrup, from the hot ghee into the syrup. And let them stay for about a minute so that they soak the syrup and become nice and spongy. In the meanwhile, some more of them. Mix the batter well every time, because the semolina generally sits down. So what I'm going to do is also important to note, you need to control the flame. Wow, look at them. The oil is hot, they puff up also. And the perforation that you see, absolutely right. Remove the previous ones in a plate. There you see, take them out in a plate. Coin malpuas, as I would call them. Chocolate flavored coin malpuas. Now, on top of this, some pistachios. Super. And what I'm going to do is not miss this one. Take some chocolate syrup. If you have nice chocolate sauce on top of this, whoa, I think even if you are dieting, you'll still have one of them, like what I am having. Amazing. Crisp on the sides, soft in the center. Try it out.